Hey everyone, it's Justin from AssetRemix. I wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through how to create and edit licenses in our AssetRemix asset management system. Once you're in our dashboard, you're going to go ahead and click on licenses here. It's going to take you to your main page. To create licenses, you have a few different options. Just as with creating assets, you can create a single license, you can bulk create license, or you can download a CSV template to upload any of the licenses that you currently have. So we'll start off with a bulk create. It'll take you to this screen right here. There's a few things that you need whenever you're creating licenses. The main one is the name for it. And we'll say this is going to be Adobe Premiere for one of our CTE classes. If you have a product key, I'll just type in some random numbers for that. And now it's going to ask you for a quantity on this. So if you only have one class that's using it, but it's going to be 30 different users on it, I can go ahead, go all the way up to, click up to 30 on there. And then you can go to license. You can have it reassignable. You can do the purchase date on it, which we'll go ahead and say we purchased this today, and the purchase cost of for the 30 licenses, we'll say it was $300. All right, the expiration dates on it, it's going to go from 1/10 of this year, and we have a 1-year license on this. So we'll go to 1/10 of next year. All right, once we're here, we can go ahead and hit tab. It's going to take us over to notes. I can select a category if I have a category assigned to these. Same with my manufacturers. If I have a specific supplier, if I have an order number or a PO number, I can go through that. Or if I bought this through a funding source, if I need to attach something through there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit tab. It's going to take me to create a new one. And let's say we've got Photoshop for the same class right there. And we'll go over, kind of leave the rest of this blank. And we'll go ahead and hit save on this. And now once we've done that, it's going to take us straight back to our licenses. As you can see that we've got that here. Now, if I'm going through and I need to get these checked out to the teacher that they're going to have them, or if you're going to the individual students, I'm going to go ahead and hit checkout on this. And it's going to bring me to this page where I can select whatever user I need to assign this to. And let's just say I'm going to assign all 30 to the teacher who's in charge of the class. Go ahead and select John Smith, the quantity 30, check out. And once I do this, it's going to take me back. And as you can see, with Adobe Premiere, there's now 0 left. I'm not able to check any more of this devices out. Now, if I need to go back through and edit my licenses for this one, I can go ahead and click this button right here. It's going to take me to this page right here where I can go through and see everything that I've done, purchase cost, expiration dates, all this fun stuff. And if I need to update anything, I can create a custom value here also. If I'm not going to do anything, I can either, if I make a change, I hit update, or otherwise I can go back, click on licenses, it's not going to do anything else. For more tips on how to work our AssetRemix asset management system, check out the links below.